Hello to my viewers. Today's topic is about operations and functions. So this math is intended for the grade 8 students, especially to the Philippine science students. I have here two functions. I have f of x is equal to 9x squared plus 18x plus 5. And the second function is g of x is equals to 3x plus 1. Now, I have here, find letter A, add function. Letter B is subtract function. Letter C is multiply function. And the last is divide function. So take note, we have four fundamental operations in mathematics. So for letter A, I will solve this. So this will be f of x. So I need this function. So this will be 9 times 2 squared plus 18 times 2 plus 5. So this will be 9 times 4 plus this one will be 36 then plus 5. So this will be 9 times 4 is 36 plus 36 plus 5. So this will be 72 and then plus 5. So this will be 77. So f of 2 is 77. Now let's move to the second function. But we're still in letter A. G of 3. So G of 3. So this will be 3 times 3 plus 1. So 3 times 3 is 9 plus 1. So this will be equal to 10. So I have here letter A. G of 3 is 10. So this will be 77 plus 10. So the answer for letter A is 87. Okay, how about letter B? Take note, letter B is subtraction or subtract function. F of 5. So 9 times 5 squared plus 18 times 5 plus 5. So this will be 9 times 25 plus 18 times 5, 0, carry 4, 90. Then plus 5. So this will be 25 times 9. This is 45, carry 4, 18, 18, 22. So 225 plus 95. So this will be plus 95. This will be 0, carry 1, 12, 320. So for F5 is 320. Then how about G of 5? G of 5 is equal to 3 times 5 plus 1. So this will be 15 plus 1. G of 5 is 16. So this will be 16. Since this is subtraction, so this will be 320. Take away 16. So 320, 16. So 0 cannot be subtracted by 6. So we need to borrow from here. 1 and then put beside 0. 10 minus 6 is 4. Now 1 minus 1 is 0. Then bring down 3. So this is 304. Letter B is 304. Now how about letter C? Letter C is multiply function. So f of 1/3. So this will be 9. 1/3 squared plus 18 times 1/3 plus 5. So this will be 9. 1 over 9 plus 18 over 3 plus 5. So cross out. So this will be 1. 18 divided by 3 is 6 plus 5. So this will be 12. Right? So this is 12. How about g of half. G of half. So this will be 3 times half plus 1. So this will be 3 over 2 plus 1. So LCD 2. This is 3 plus 2. Then this will be equal to 5 halves. So this is 5 over 2. Then this is multiplication. So 12 times 5 over 2. Since I don't have denominators, I will put 1 and then, or we can use cross cancellation. So divide by 2 is 1, divide by 2 is 6. Then 6 times 5 is 30. Then multiply 1 times 1 is 1. So the answer is 30. So for letter C, the answer is 30. Now let's go to the last letter, letter D for number 1. So f of 1 is equal to 9, 1 squared plus 18 times 1 plus 5. So this will be 9 times 1 plus 18 plus 5. 9 plus 18 plus 5. So this will be 27 plus 5. 27 plus 5, 12, carry 1, so 32. So for my numerator is 32. F of 1, okay, this one. F of 1 over G of 0. So this will be 32. How about the denominator? G of x. G of 0 is equal to 3 times 0 plus 1. So this will be 0, 0 plus 1 is 1. So this will be 1. So my final answer is 32. That's all.